Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. In the last assignment, you did very short questions of 1 and 2. So now what we are going to do, we are going to complete 3, 4, 5 questions. So here what I did again, the last time we did the choose the correct answer, but now what we have converted the question answers into fill in the blanks. Let's begin. The art of making or drawing maps is called. The art of making and drawing maps is called. You know, for everything there is a title. Now I'm teaching, I'm a teacher, right? A person who cures people, like maybe the disease or whatever, they're called as doctors. The one who, what you can say, who writes the plane pilot. So who is the person who makes the map? So they are called as cartography. Okay, the art of making maps is called cartography. The person who makes maps are called cartographers. So there's a lot of different. The making of map is called cartography. So the answer for this is cartography. The answer is for this cartography. Now next, local time of a particular country can be calculated based on the. Local time of particular country can be calculated based on the. Every country has their own time. Okay, but on what basis they are calculating the time? There is one longitude, that is Greenwich Mean Time. So from where it passes from London. So every country calculated on the basis of Greenwich Mean Time. So the answer for this is Greenwich Mean Time. So what is that question? Local time of a particular country can be calculated based on the Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. Is it clear? Let's go for the third one. There are dash meridian in all. There are dash meridian in all. Meridians are also called as what? Longitudes. Okay, meridians also called as longitudes. Both are, meridians are imaginary, longitudes also called as imaginary. So how many meridians you have totally on the globe? We have 360 meridians. So 360 meridians we have. So you have to write degree also. On that basis only we are going to measure it. 360 degrees meridians we have totally. Is it clear? Now coming to the fourth one. The countries to the dash of prime meridian will face the sun first. Just understand the question, children. The countries to the dash of prime meridian faces the sunlight first. So what actually the question wants to tell you? Okay, this is the globe. This is prime meridian. So towards the east, right? So this is sun. This is sun. So what is the question here? The countries towards dash of prime meridian will face the sunlight first. This is east, this is west. So which part of hemisphere faces the sun? Is the east, right? So east part. So answer goes for east. Is it clear? East part of hemisphere experience the sunlight first. Now let's go for the last one. The dash longitude is taken for calculating the Indian Standard Time. The dash longitude is taken for calculating the Indian Standard Time. We have one longitude which passes through the India, right? From Greenwich, one longitude it passes. That is 82 degree half east. From where it passes to the Prayagraj. So Prayagraj is changed the new name. For Allahabad, Allahabad is the old name, Prayagraj is the new name, okay. So near Prayagraj you have Mirzapur, there actually the longitude passes. So what is the degree of that longitude? The degree of longitude is 82 degree, half you can write, or 0.5 also you can write, so your wish, east. Okay, 82.5 degree east longitude. With the help of that we calculate the Indian Standard Time. And if you can see from east to west we have exactly only one time. We based on only one time zone. Okay, and how many total time zones we have in the world? 24 time zones. But India we follow only one time zone to avoid the confusion. From Dwaraka to Arunachal Pradesh we have only one time zone. So is it clear for children? All this concept, is it clear for you? So now easily you can write all the question answers. So read the textbook thoroughly. Try to write the answers by your own. You have self-study schedule after the lesson is over. You have few pages for every lesson. In the workbook we have given you some pages. If you want to write with your own words also, you can write. Practice in this manner. Read the textbook thoroughly. Thank you children. Thanks a lot.